If you're reading this, I assume you are interested in 3D printing miniatures and or wargames terrain. Great, because just below we are going to take a look at the current best 3D printers for miniatures and models. There are a lot of options to choose from and everyone has a certain need to balance with their own budget. Check our guide and follow the steps to get the perfect printer for you. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. Anycubic Ace Pro features 4 slots, effortlessly tackling basic 4-color printing. And when 2 Anycubic Ace Pros are combined, you can then unleash 8-color printing to bring you even more unimaginable possibilities, saving the need for additional painting later. No extra dryer is needed. The Ace Pro fully supports around-the-clock filament drying even during printing to boost efficiency to another level, up to 20,000 mm/s² acceleration. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo 3D printer delivers extremely fast print speeds while maintaining superior accuracy and detail in printing. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo surpasses regular FDM printers, printing 12 times faster at an astonishing max 600 mm/s. Anycubic Kobra OS includes a flow compensation feature that accurately adjusts filament extrusion, resulting in a smoother and more natural surface on the models. Enhance printing accuracy by effectively minimizing the overflow of material at model corners and reducing virtual waste during printing. One-click printing anywhere using your remote devices to start your print process. It supports multi-plate document parsing for more complex printings. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra X 3D Printer. Unleash creativity beyond limits. The Kobra X supports 4-color standard and expands up to 19 colors with 4:2 Pro for stunning artistic models. Adaptive extrusion force compensator handles everything from TPU recommended 68D to PLA. No more manual adjustments. Transition from hard to soft materials seamlessly for professional grade multi-material projects. Don't let slow speeds limit your creativity. This high-speed FDM 3D printer reaches up to 600 mm/s, completing tasks significantly faster than traditional models. Whether making classroom models or home decor, the high-efficiency Kobra OS and vibration compensation keep every detail crisp and professional. Start your first project in as little as 15 minutes. The Kobra X arrives with a user-friendly setup and Levique 3.0 automatic bed leveling. By removing the need for tedious manual adjustments, it ensures a perfect first layer and smooth results even for those who have never used a 3D printer before. Forget the frustration of manual bed leveling that plagues beginner machines. The Levique 3.0 system utilizes 49-point full auto leveling and vibration compensation to ensure a perfect first layer every time. Whether you are a hobbyist or a pro, get smooth, high-precision surfaces right out of the box with zero guesswork. The ultra-quiet 48 decibels operation ensures the living or learning space remains peaceful. Combined with power loss recovery and filament run-out sensors, the Kobra X protects the hard work from unexpected interruptions, making it a dependable partner for long-running creative projects. Features 720p camera with real-time monitoring and instant error alerts. Includes object detection to prevent damage, AI-driven spaghetti detection to save filament, and skip part functionality for batch prints. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra 3D Printer. Mono 4 Ultra E version uses advanced Kobra light source integrated with Fresnel lens, after precise optical adjustment, to achieve uniform purple light irradiation within a small angle of 3, ensuring no stray light interference on the 7" 10K black and white screen. Combining the 10K, 9024 5120px, high-resolution screen, Mono 4 Ultra controls the model tolerance within the range of 0.01 to 0.05 mm, making even the slightest differences clearly visible, ensuring that every detail of the model is accurately carved. With the light uniformity algorithm, each device undergoes rigorous screen energy calibration, the light uniform rate reaches greater than equals 90%. The algorithms adjust energy points outside the dynamic range, precisely controlling curing light energy. This reduces dimensional errors in each printed layer, ensuring consistent printing. Experience high-speed printing under the most challenging printing conditions, even with a layer height at just 0.1 mm. Every Mono 4 Ultra E version printer was assembled, calibrated, tuned, and tested before shipment. So when you received the printer, simply unbox and start printing. 4.3-inch high-definition screen, all new UI design, simple operation, supports 8 languages, while providing a friendly and comfortable interactive experience. The built-in high-density activated carbon filter has a thickness of 18 mm and a weight of 17 grams. It can effectively add sorbodor molecules generated during the 3D printing process, improving the air quality in the area. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer boasts a rapid print speed of 250 mm/s, ensuring efficient and quick model creation. Operating on a versatile voltage range of 110 to 220 volts, this printer is adaptable to various power sources. With certification, the Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer meets European safety standards, ensuring users' safety. Featuring a CR touch control screen, the printer provides an intuitive interface for easy operation and monitoring. Utilizing FDM, fused deposition modeling, technology, this printer delivers high-quality 3D prints with fine details. Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer can print at up to 250 mm/s speed with 2500 mm/s squared acceleration, faster than Ender 3, Ender 3v2, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 Neo, Ender 3v2 Neo, Ender 3 S1, Ender 3 S1 Pro etc. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep good printing quality at the same time. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer is easy to put together in 3 steps within about 20 minutes only. It equips CR touch for auto leveling and strain sensor for auto Z offset. It is easy to get a perfect first layer. Leveling is the important process before printing. It usually makes customers in trouble. This 3D printer saves 73% of the time compared with other printers and easily start to print, which is friendly to all of customers including the beginners. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender 3v3 SE enables smooth feeding of various filaments, including PLA, PETC, and TPU. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. Number 5. Creality K1 MAX 3D Printer. Creality K1 MAX equips 1 micrometer resolution AI LiDAR, which scans the first layer. If there is any problem, it will stop the printing job, giving you quality models. Observant AI camera can recognize spaghetti failure, foreign matter, debris, etc. and support real-time monitoring and time-lapse filming. Creality K1 MAX 3D printer equips printing speed 600 mm per second and acceleration 20,000 mm per square second. It is 12 times faster than the other normal 3D printer. Give good printing experience to customers and get a good model in short time. K1 MAX offers 11.81 by 11.81 by 11.81 inch large build volume, which meets more requirement of larger printing model. Or you can get a print farm on this printer. Creality K1 MAX 3D printer, its strain sensors in the heat bed for more precise auto leveling without any operation or attention. The 300 by 300 by 300 build volume of the K1 MAX allows for larger 3D models, enhancing your printing capabilities. Stay connected and monitor your prints remotely with the printer's Wi-Fi wireless connectivity. Experience rapid prototyping with the Creality K1 MAX's 600 mm per second high-speed FDM printing, Perfect for quick model creation. Achieve precise prints every time with the AI camera LiDAR auto leveling feature, ensuring accurate bed calibration. Rest assured with the Creality K1 MAX's certification, guaranteeing compliance with safety standards.